This week on The Toxic Inspector. Wilson looks for love.
Wilson!
Inspector, what are you doing here?
I'm sorry to bother you on your day off, but I've just learned of a man in Barstow who...
I'm sorry, Inspector. I can't. I'm going on a date tonight.
A date? With who?
Her name is Shelly. Met her on Venmo.
You met her on... what?
I'm about to go pick her up. There's just one last finishing touch. My low detoxin.
What on earth are you doing, Wilson?
What, no good?
Wilson, that perfume is crawling with...
Well, it's cologne, so...
That perfume is crawling with toxins.
What?
It's true. Fragrances have been linked to a staggering number of health risks. They contain many chemicals, some of which have been classified in lab studies as allergens, hormone disruptors, asthma triggers, neurotoxins, and carcinogens. Many fragrances contain chemicals called phthalates, which have been shown to cause health risks such as cancer, human reproductive toxicity, birth defects, and respiratory problems.
Not respiratory problems.
And that's not all. Fragrance manufacturers aren't required to list phthalates on ingredient labels, making them particularly difficult to avoid. The safest way to avoid phthalates is to stop using fragrances altogether, or products with fragrances, such as name brand shampoo and body wash.
Are you done? I'm gonna be late.
You know, Wilson, I'm sensing a bit of hostility in your tone.
I'm sensing a bit of hostility in your tone.
Now, Wilson, if I didn't know any better, I might start to think that...
Get out.
Don't miss an exciting new episode of The Toxic Inspector, only on Dherbs TV.